Hey, so I'm going to show you how easily you can find scam emails that you get and not to click on them, mark them as spam or something along those lines. So that way you're not paying or getting viruses to your computer. So this is the email in question. I instantly saw it, it has some guy's name I've never heard of. It says invoice. And right here, in the preview, this whole product description for Norton 360. So first off, I don't even have Norton 360 for my computer. So, I mean, that's a dead giveaway. But, say in the event you did happen to have some antivirus software on your computer, which I do recommend you having something on your computer, this particular email, if it was yours and you click like, okay, well, looking through it, they intentionally make the price some kind of ridiculous number that you didn't pay for antivirus software. The phone number looks weird, but this is where I want you to see. If we hone in right here, it's a generic email. Norton or any of these antivirus, they're not going to go to these kind of random email addresses. I've seen stuff like this with Geek Squad too, going, hey, we're going to renew this. I've seen a lot of things basically geared around antivirus software or things like protections for your computer that they're saying, hey, we're renewing. And then there'll always be some kind of attachment, which this one doesn't have an attachment like with an invoice. Never click the attachments, by the way. And just know that, like, okay, it's here, it says it's going to be charged quickly, so they create a sense of urgency too. This is definitely a scam. I'm going to mark it as such so that I don't have to deal with it anymore, but I was going to share this anyway with a couple clients of mine who had some questions because they were getting stuff like this, and I'm like, please do not click on attachments that you see in these emails, and then just what you should be looking for. So the fact that it has a regular email address, it's not like from an actual company, and even the ones that say they're from like Norton 360, there'll be something weird with the email address that doesn't spell right. Like the ones from Geek Squad, those will say like Best Buy, Geek Squad .com or something. Like there's just a weird spelling. So it's a huge red flag. Don't click the attachments. Definitely don't click any links in here. Just mark it spam or just delete out your inbox. So hope you thought this was useful and that it helps you so you don't get scammed. Bye.